Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the assets you need: photos, short videos, and 1 or 2 music tracks. Once done, pick a target length and set slide count. 10 to 15 slides works well for a 3-5-minute run. Make sure to choose a consistent color palette and 2 complementary fonts before creating slides. This speeds layout decisions. Open PowerPoint and create a new blank file. Then import your assets into one folder so you can drag and drop them into place quickly. Now you build the slides. Start with a title slide, then create repeated layouts: photo with caption, 1-line quote, and a timeline slide. Use the slide master to set headers, footers, and a consistent logo placement so every slide aligns. Place images with uniform margins and use crop to fill for better framing. Once your content is placed, add subtle transitions and set durations to 0, 5 to 1, 2 seconds. This keeps pace steady without distracting the viewer. Preview to confirm visual rhythm. Finish by adding narration or timing. You can record a voiceover directly in PowerPoint or import an audio track and align it to slides. Make sure audio levels sit around -6 to -3 dB so nothing clips. Once satisfied, export to MP4 for easy sharing or test in slide show mode on the device you'll use. If something goes wrong, like missing fonts or choppy video, embed fonts, re-encode large media, or use link/insert to relink broken files before the final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.